Anna, so we're seeing the gains right now for Bitcoin up 2.2%. Ether is having a stronger session than that, up 4.1%. But this in the context of that pressure that we've seen in recent weeks and months for crypto. What's been going on? Is this? We've seen this story before. Are things different given the ETF inflows we saw at the start of the year, the regulatory focus in the US?
So it's very different, right? Normally when we had these big crashes, it was around some big event like a big exchange collapsing, multiple companies going bankrupt. But in this case, it's very confusing to people. There's no clear sign as to what. It's more, I guess maybe the asset is maturing more and it's following other asset classes, which is a bit ironic, seeing that it was supposed to not be connected to anything else. Obviously, it's interesting because the industry has all the support it needs now, the President of the United States and Congress as well. So while the environment has not changed, from the election of Trump, Bitcoin has erased all of its gains, which is really interesting.
So it's not about disappointment that the rhetoric around crypto regulation hasn't been met with real changes. Those changes have come through, and that they are continuing and will continue to support the market.
Yes. And I mean, what happened was on October 10th, there was a big flash crash, and the industry hasn't really the price hasn't really recovered as much. It's gone up and down a bit, but after those big liquidations, it sort of remained kind of, and we're entering now sort of another bear territory and perhaps another crypto winter, which is not connected to the wider environment. There's been no, jailings, as we saw the last cycle. So it's very different.
What are you watching for in the days and weeks ahead? What could be the next catalyst then?
I guess we're going to see if there are more liquidations out of crypto ETFs, because that was a big change. When the ETFs were approved, we saw a massive inflow from retail investors, and now it's not coming back. They're pulling out. I guess maybe people are becoming more sensitive and used to the big price swings, and they don't want to risk it again. And it's maybe following the wider sort of risk-off environment.